Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or build a full POS software using AI for free. And this is going to be a PHP project. We are going to use raw PHP, and for the database, we're going to use MySQL. We have a bunch of different ways to do this. I can actually do this project through OpenCode CLI. This is the easiest way. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use only ChatGPT for this. Here you can see currently I'm in ChatGPT, and here I have added a prompt, built a full POS software with AI for free using PHP plus MySQL, and use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JS for frontend, and for backend raw PHP, and for the database MySQL. Generate code for me. I will just copy the code and add on my project inside a folder. This is a PHP project, and there is a reason actually we have to keep our project inside a folder. But where you will find a folder? So basically, you have to install XAMPP to get a folder, and we know PHP is server-side scripting language, and we need a server for this. So XAMPP will provide us the server. This is the XAMPP control panel, and from here we got Apache MySQL server. So we need these two servers. Apache is for PHP. I need to run PHP. We need a server. So Apache will provide us the server, and then MySQL for the database. So here we need two servers, and XAMPP will actually provide us these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use XAMPP here. And when you install XAMPP, you will find a folder called htdocs. Just go to the installation drive. Here you can see in this case, I have installed it in C drive. You can install it in different drive. No matter which drive you have installed it, you will get a folder called XAMPP. So go inside of the folder, and here you will find a folder called XAMPP. Now go inside of it. Then here you will find bunch of folders and files. Just go for the htdocs. Here you can see. And if you go inside htdocs, here you will find a bunch of folder and files. So just remove all of them. These are not necessary. So I already clear them. Now I have only two folder here. You can see these are my project. Now if you want to create new project, just click on new and then folder. Then the folder will go up as a project. So I have created a folder as a project here. You can see POS-AI-Git. So this is the folder, and here we are going to add all the code. Okay. So for this you have to install XAMPP. So just go to the browser and go for the XAMPP official site. First XAMPP on the browser, and then you will find apache-friends.org. So go with it. There we go. And here you can see we have three different operating system here, and we have here latest 3 version. So just go with the latest one and download this and install it in your PC. This is really simple. You need a code editor. So I'm going to use VS Code here. You can see, and this is really simple, and I'm assuming that you can install it also. So what I have to do, you will find something like this, and then you have to click in the file explorer, and then from here you have to just add a folder. So go for the folder inside htdocs, and then create a folder and add it in the VS Code. Just drag and drop it here. I already added it. You can see. Now here I'm going to create all the file. I will not do any coding here. I will just create all the file. Then ChatGPT will actually give me all the code. Now I will hit enter to execute this. Now if you want a professional prompt, you can actually generate a prompt output through ChatGPT, but I will just go it manually. So I will click here, this arrow sign, and then it will actually generate all the code for me. Now if we need to change anything manually, we can actually mention here, and then it will actually get the project for us. And here you can see this is the structure it is going to follow. So create a folder inside htdocs. So we have to actually create a folder, and we have already created this, right? Let me show you. If I go to the E drive, then XAMPP, then htdocs, here we have this. So we already added it. Now we need to create this file. So let's create all of them. Config.php. Here you can see config.php. Copy this. Go back to the VS Code, and here we just have to add all the files. Now index.php, I'm going to create index.php, then products.php, then style.css. Now if you want to keep your style.css in different folder, you may actually create here a folder by clicking on this icon, and then keep your project and the style sheet in the different folder. But I'll just go with this one because it actually suggests me to do this. I'm going to copy this. Style.css. Let's go click here. Style.css. And after that, database.sql. So we are going to create this later. All right. Now here you can see this is database.sql. Okay, we can create it, right? So copy this, click here, database.sql, hidden there. And now we'll actually go with the database.sql at first. So we have to just copy this. So copy this, add it here, save it, remove this. Now we have here config.php. So let's copy this. Let's go for the config.php here. Save it, remove this. Now home page equals index.php. So copy this, go for the index.php. Okay, style.css is missing here. So I'm going to say here style.css missing. Yeah, copy this and let's go back there and paste it. Now we have to open this. I mean, we have to run this project. So we are going to go for the XAMPP control panel. And from here, we have to start Apache and MySQL server. We have to go for the local host, then slash PHP MyAdmin. We have to go there and we have to create the database. AI. Okay. So this is the database name. So we are going to click here, new, and then the database section, name section, we are going to paste it, okay? And then click here, create. And now we are not going to create here all the tables, and we are going to use the .sql file here. We have added, here you can see database.sql. So we are going to click here import, and we are going to choose the file. And here we have this POS -AI -PHP. So add this .sql file here, open, and now scroll a little bit down and click here in the import button. And we got error here. We have to remove this two line because we already created the database, right? Yeah. So remove this. Now we are going to import once again. Use the file .sql, click here import. Here we go. We have to import all the tables. There you can see the dummy table. Now we can access our project. So let's go to the localhost slash, and you can actually give here the project specific name, but I will show you something else, and that is if you type here localhost then slash, then you will find all the folders or project inside it. We got here two projects, and this is our project for this video. So we are going to click here. Here we go. This is our dashboard. Now we can click here manage product, right? You can go for the back, then new sale, then back. So this is just a simple site. You can see. Now, if you want advanced option, you can actually do this. Let's just go back to the ChatGPT, and from here, you can see that want the advanced POS version. So you can add here login system, then invoice print, then okay, all the things. You just have to actually copy this option and paste it here. Okay, then go for it, and then it will actually give you the login code also. Now here you can see got here login option. Here you can see now you can see create user table, add to database.sql. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just copy this. So every single time you don't need to actually add the SQL file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Okay, copy this and go for the database. So localhost PHP MyAdmin, and here you have to click on the database name, that is POS _ AI, and here we have to just go for the query section. You can see here, sorry, in the SQL section you can see standard query language, and here we're going to paste it. Okay, now we are going to now go for the go. Here you can see this button, go button. Click here. There you go. We got result. Here you can see, and after that you can go for the login.php. So copy this and let's go back to the VS Code, and here we are going to create new file, and that will be login.php. Here we are going to paste the code, cd, remove the login.php, and here we got the login page. Now this is the basic website. Here you can see, and if you want full implementation, you can see it asks you to, if you want actually you can generate it. So we are going to actually copy this, okay, and then I will paste it here, and then I will mention that go for it. Regenerate everything from very beginning. hit enter. So now here you can see this is the new project folder structure, and now it will actually go for every single page, and it will now regenerate all the code. Okay, then what you have to do, you just have to copy this. So this is just for a for the tutorial purpose, and there is the reason actually I have shown like this. So you can actually go for the professional one, and I already show you how you can actually go with it. Here you can see you just have to mention them, right? And then it will actually regenerate all the things. I can see this is the folder structure, and then it will actually regenerate all the code. So this is how actually you can create professional website through ChatGPT. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.